Hello students, welcome to today's video lesson. Today we shall discuss transformation of sentences in sentence reordering. You are given a total of 6 marks worth of questions in your examination. 4 marks for transformation of sentences and 2 for sentence reordering. Before we begin discussing examples, let us first do a quick revision of sentences and its various types. A sentence is a cluster of words or phrases joined together to convey complete sense, having 2 chief parts, the subject and predicate. According to the function they perform, sentences can be assertive, affirmative, negative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. To classify structurally, sentences are of 3 types: simple, compound, and complex. Sentences can further take the active or passive voice and be divided into the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. Let us begin by quickly revising the various types of sentences according to the function they perform. An assertive sentence, also called a declarative sentence, makes a statement. For example, Christmas is the main festival of the Christians. Arun is a good basketball player. Affirmative sentences affirms or expresses the validity and truth of a statement made. For example, I have lived in Chennai for the last few years. Sleep is necessary for healthy functioning of the brain. Negative sentences negates or states the falsity of a statement. For example, no other metal is as useful as iron. None but a millionaire can afford such luxuries. Interrogative sentence asks or questions something. For example, is it a holiday tomorrow? When will you leave for school? Imperative sentences are used to issue a command or instruction, make a request, or offer advice. For example, sit down, do not cross the road with your earplugs on, please pay attention to traffic signals. An exclamatory sentence makes a statement that conveys strong emotion or excitement. For example, what awful weather! Oh, what a beautiful sight! Hooray, we have been declared the winners of this year. Let us now go through some examples of transformation of sentences. Tell me Mr. Jaitley's address. Change into interrogative sentence. The answer is, tell me where Mr. Jaitley lives. Shall I ever forget those beautiful people? Change into assertive sentence. Answer, I shall never forget those beautiful people. The weather is extremely beautiful. Change into exclamatory sentence. Answer, oh, what a beautiful weather. Structurally, sentences are of 3 types as we have discussed earlier: simple, complex, and compound. A simple sentence expresses a single complete thought with usually 1 or more subjects and 1 verb or subject and 1 or more verbs. For example, I looked for Mohan and Vinita at the station. A compound sentence is a sentence that has at least 2 independent clauses joined by a comma, semicolon, or conjunction. Compound sentences have coordinating conjunctions like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or, so in them. For examples, Jayant waited for the train, but the train was late. The boys heard their father's footsteps and ran away. A complex sentence consists of an independent clause joined with subordinators or relative pronouns to 1 or more dependent clauses. In these sentences, the dependent clauses begin with subordinate conjunctions such as after, although, as, because, before, after, until, since, though, unless, etc. Let us see 2 examples. The child went to the kitchen after he smelled popcorn. Evergreen trees are a symbol of fertility because they do not die in the winter. Let us see a few more examples to understand the transformation of sentences. In the event of her being late, she will be punished. Changed into compound sentence. Answer, she must not be late, otherwise she will be punished. When I closed the door, I went back to bed. Change into simple sentence. Answer, closing the door, I went back to bed. We eat to live. Change into complex sentence. Answer, we eat so that we can live. Let us now go through some more examples of transformation of sentences. Raman plays the harmonium. He started when he was 4 years old. Use Since. Answer. Raman has been playing the harmonium since he was 4 years old. Rahman is the eldest son of the Khan family. He removed the dead body using a shovel. Combine using who? Answer. Rahman, who is the eldest son of the Khan family, removed the dead body using a shovel. Aditya saw Rani. He stopped dancing immediately. Use as soon as. Answer. As soon as Aditya saw Rani, he stopped dancing. Shri Ram did not feel frightened. His brother did not feel frightened. Use neither nor. Answer. Neither Shri Ram nor his brother felt frightened. Einstein was good at mathematics. He was not good at remembering dates. Use but to join the sentence. Answer. Einstein was good at mathematics, but he was not good at remembering dates. Some transformation also involves changing a sentence from active to passive voice and vice versa. For example, active voice, people are blaming climate change for all the natural calamities. Passive voice, natural calamities are being blamed for climate change. Passive voice, food should have been offered to the guests after they arrived. Active voice, somebody should have offered food to the guests after they arrived. Let us now move on to the second part of our discussion, where we shall do some reordering of sentences. Gold, idols, garlands, and silver, yellow, the, and ornaments adorned. Answer. Yellow garlands and ornaments of gold and silver adorned the idols. Books cannot, else, with, of, compared, the, be, world, anything. Answer. The world of books cannot be compared with anything else. The man was dead, addressed the letter to whom he. Answer. The man to whom he had addressed the letter was dead. Was injured, accident, yesterday, and in he. Answer. He was injured in an accident yesterday. My winning, I told him a medal, until, about, not known he had. Answer. He had not known about my winning a medal until I told him. With that, we come to the end of our discussion session today. We hope this video lesson helps you in understanding and scoring in your examinations. See you soon.